Okay, so in last session, just we discussed about PowerShell, right?
Right.
Yeah, see, now I'm going to discuss about how to create one virtual machine using PowerShell.
PowerShell.
Okay, yeah. So as usual, already I shown you the code, right? So to create the virtual machines, okay, resource group is mandatory. Okay, storage account is mandatory.
Yeah.
Location is mandatory. Okay, so all these things we have to construct the code. So what are they? One is resource group. Uh, New -az resource group. Next, new -az location. Okay, yeah, sorry. Resource group is mandatory. Next, new -az VM. Virtual machine is mandatory. Next, new -az virtual network. Okay, yeah. Next, new -az VM size. What is the VM size? Like one CPU, 3.5 GB memory is required. So in that itself, we will mention OS, Windows or Linux. Okay, that is Windows Server 2019 or 16 or 12, anything, or 2022, or if required, Linux as well. Okay, yeah. So the final thing is, we will use final command is new -az VM. Okay, hyphen location, I mean resource group, G group. We can mention my resource group. Next, hyphen location. Where is that? East US. Finally, what? VM size. That's it. This is the final command we have to use it. My VM size. Okay, so here I am mentioning Azure Virtual Network, right? Under that, also we need to create new -az subnet, virtual subnet. Okay, the virtual subnet ID is 10.10.10.10 slash 24 is the mask. I will let you know what is the 24 mask and what is the 8 standard, what is the 16, that all part of networking. So I will clearly explain about it. So what is the networking, how we can design the subnets, that all we'll see later. Now have a look. In my office, we developed the script. Let me share with you. Yeah, this is the one. So already I shown you, right? The dollar resource group. So directly I'm mentioning here. If you want to take this resource group dynamically from the window, in the sense, read -host, please enter the resource group name. Am I right? So directly I'm passing it. Okay, my Java resource group. Let me change my PHP resource group. Location East US. Okay, VM name. I am giving my VM name. So first of all, go and check whether any VMs are there or not. So one VM is there. Okay, that is web server 01. Leave it. I'm going to give uh, yeah, Java web server 01. Okay, next, credentials. Actually, to communicate the virtual machine that is created in Azure cloud, we have to pass credentials, right? My credentials, standard credentials are what? Cloud admin, SharePoint at the rate of 12345, right? Now navigate to shell.azure.com. So how we can pass these credentials? Okay, there is a credentials. One command is there in Cloud Shell. Yeah, it is communicating. Okay, already I shown you, right, how to establish the connection from local PowerShell to Cloud Shell. Am I right? How to connect Cloud Shell using our local PowerShell. Yes or
Yes,
no,
sir.
guys?
Yeah.
Do you want me to show it again? That's executed successfully, right?
True, sir.
Yeah. Okay, no issues. Anything you can use it. Okay. Yeah. Just only one command you have to use. What is that? Connect hyphen AZ account. Right? Prompt. It will pass. You need to pass the credentials. Okay, clear. Next, get hyphen AZ VM. It should display only one VM. Connect hyphen AZ setup. No credentials. Okay, yeah, this is the new thing. They implemented multi-factor authentication. Okay, actually, this account, no, it is asking username and password that day. We enable multi-factor authentication. That is what it is asking. In your system, directly it will. You can execute the commands, no issues. Okay, you try it out one time. Okay, guys. So in last time, directly it is using executing, right? It is not asking multi-factor authentication and all. So in last Saturday session, we enabled multi-factor authentication yesterday. So for other batches, so it is asking here multi-factor authentication. Nothing else. You people can, yeah, here it is asking additional parameter tenant ID. We need to pass it. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now get hyphen AZ. Yeah. Okay, so currently we have only one virtual machine. Now navigate to the coding part. So this is what credentials, how we can enable the credentials. So there is a what? Cred. Okay, get hyphen credentials we can use. Get hyphen credentials. Hit enter. See, to connect this virtual machine, what is the username and password we need to pass? Username cloud admin. Password SharePoint at the rate of 123. This is the one. It will encrypt the password. Okay. Directly it is storing here. But I want to take it these values dynamically. That is what we can do. Grade. What is that? Dollar grade. Dollar grade. Get hyphen credentials. Okay. Please enter username to connect. Okay. Password is what? Yeah, sorry. Username SP admin. Password, yeah, it is directly asked. Hyphen message, there is another parameter. Okay, yeah. See, user SP admin. Password SharePoint at the rate of 1 2. Now dollar cred, just type cred. See, this is the username and encrypted password. Okay, yeah. Next. So same thing we are passing here. Credentials, get type and credentials, mention the username and password of virtual machine. Okay, next. So if that resource group is not there, the my PHP resource group, then it will create new virtual machine. Assume that this is the production. What I will do now, yeah, production prod 2022 hyphen RG. Just I am giving PRD. Okay, yeah. Next, this is the subnet. What is the subnet? New hyphen AZ virtual network subnet configuration. As I said, 192.168.1.0. See guys, this is the private IP. The private IPs are starting with 192. Please remember, even it is real time, cloud on premises, okay? Sorry, in office on premises or cloud, everything, it is same funda. When you are coming to the networking, if the number is starting with 192, then that is what private IP addresses.
That's true, but who will provide this IP address? Where you can request
No, by
Azure.
default, networking is nothing but subnet. Subnet is nothing but IP range. Once a virtual network is created, once subnet is created, then automatically assigning the IP addresses. Just we will provide
Just
the range. That's
ah,
it.
okay, okay. You are given to only 1.0. Okay, okay. In that
Yeah.
1.02 till range,
Zero
they
to
will provide
1.2
255.
255 IP
Yeah,
range it will create.
yes, yes. In that, that's why 168.1 dot till 255, any one IP it will provide. They will provide,
Not
right?
anyone, it will go sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that.
Okay. In that situation, you can directly give to 1.5 or 1.6 or 1.7 like that.
Yeah, yeah, that also you can provide, no issues.
Okay,
Actually,
okay. Whatever the IP address we need, same IP address we are mentioned here. That range 192 is the C layer. That's okay.
yeah,
Okay, C class and public and all. That's understand. Okay, so see 192.168.1.0 you are given, right?
yeah.
So in that till 255, any number which I need, that number I need to select and we can raise the request, right? They will provide automatically.
Yes, yes. Yeah, no, in Azure, automatically it will take. Need not.
That's why. So if now 1.0, 0 is the nothing, right? Only just for the
No,
uh,
actually 0, 1, 2, 3 are reserved. Okay, it
result.
will start
Oh,
from 1.4.
so in that reserved IP address only, we need to pick it up, right? Or
No,
uh,
reserved in the sense this is not reserved by you, reserved by
uh,
Microsoft.
okay.
Yeah, actually, there we have load balancer, we have routing, we have connectivity, we have LAN. Many things are there in the data centers, right? So 4 ports will be reserved by Microsoft. We cannot assign them, even it won't take it.
Okay, one small direct question, second. Uh, See, I'm creating one virtual machine. I need a static IP. So how we can raise
Okay, okay.
request?
That
Uh,
tomorrow we'll start about networking. You can ask that question. I will explain you.
yeah, yeah. Same funda you can utilize here also, right? So that's why I'm asking the
Yeah, yeah,
IP
sure.
address.
I got it. Yeah. So
Mm,
here, but yeah, you can assign it, but static IP need to be purchased and assign it. I will show. We have to.
okay.
There is a NIC card, right? For NIC card, we can register that. Yeah.
Okay, so in that 192.168.1.0 also is we are purchased or directly you are assigned.
Private IP address or DHCP server is there, right? DHCP,
Mm-hmm.
dynamic host control. That will.
Yeah, we know. We know. So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
is,
that will
see,
provide.
by default, that is in DSCP. If you can provide the DSCP, it looks like 127 series. Okay, whenever we are DSCP is providing the uh, uh, IP address automatically, the IP address should be in 128, 127 series, 127.2 dot or something like that. But here 192 means this is C class network and you says this is the public net, public one only.
Yeah,
But
class A, class B are public, correct.
yeah, this is C class only. So that's why I'm still thinking, second. Okay, so 190.168.1.0, 1.1 also uses that IP. How we can get it? I mean, that is provided. We need to raise a request for static IP from Azure, or by default.
No, actually, yeah, by default, when you create the subnet for VNet, right, automatically it will assign. In the range, we
Uh-huh.
will mention for subnet. Actually,
Okay.
the subnet,
Uh,
how the range should be taken, we will mention 192.1.1 dot, we will leave it.
mm,
1 dot X, then it will start taking the IPs, private IP address.
mm.
Yeah.
Okay, we will see. Check.
Okay, actually in real time, how it will be, for example, two subnets are there, right? So
True.
this is the web subnet, this is the DB subnet.
Mm,
Okay, whatever the DB servers you are deploying, verify in the companies also, all DB servers might have in same one series.
mhm,
I mean, Oracle, DB2, Sybase, and MS SQL Server, MySQL, all these servers might have been in same subnet series. Web servers, they will use another subnet, whatever the application or VMs
mm,
you are
mm,
going to deploy.
mm,
They are in one
mm.
what we can say,
Yeah,
IP
yeah,
series.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shekhar,
So that is full
the
networking
range
topic.
you have provided, it comes under private IP address, no? That 192.168.
Yes, private IP address, correct.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Next. So this is what IP. Now we are assigning NSG roles, network security group. So what is the NSG? NSG is nothing but set of rules where we can allow or deny the incoming traffic to access the resource. So generally while creating the VM, we are assigning 3389 for RDP. 80 is what? HTTP.
HTTP,
Yeah, 443
HTTPS.
is HTTPS. Okay, these are all. This is about what NSG rule. So to create NSG, see again new hyphen AZ network security group. Did you observe any command? It is starting with AZ. AZ means isolated. It is especially for cloud. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next. So this is the VM config. New hyphen AZ VM config. This is mentioning VM size. What is the VM size? Standard DS2 V2. From where we can get this series is navigate to your cloud, create VM here. So all series. Okay, see A1, A2 series, okay, A6. Okay, based on your request, based on your project requirement, we will go for this kind of series. Okay, DC1 S-V2. Here you can get that series and implement. So by default, what is that? DS1-V2 means one CPU, 3.5 GB memory. Here you can use it. What is that? One CPU, 3.5 GB memory. Okay, guys.
Yes, standard is a plan.
Yeah, this is the standard actually.
Mhm.
So when you go for recommended, this is the free trial, right? These are the recommendation. So maximum you can go for.
And one thing, Shekhar, you told that in means like in private IP address, DSCP automatically assign the IPs, means like in the pool, it will take whichever is free, it will assign like
Uh,
that.
these are public virtual machines, right? Public means Microsoft, Google, Amazon, they have their standards, guys. Their
Yes.
series is standard 10 dot. When you create the virtual machine, okay, 10 dot series will start. For Google, Microsoft, Amazon, we can say Apple, they will use 10 dot series. That is common. Very big organization in the world, they will go for that series. Remaining all class A, class B, class C, class D networkings are there. I will let you know tomorrow. But 10 dot series is Microsoft result and Google AWS Google Oracle Cloud and all.
Means like 10 dot means like 0 to
For
0
example,
to, but 10.0.0.0 is a private IP address.
sorry. Yeah, did you observe?
Now this is a private IP address, but
Yeah, I'm telling also private IP.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So by
Okay,
default,
generally 10 dot series is what? Public. Class A, class B are public. I shown you right 10 to 120. Oh, sorry, 191. These are public.
but Shekhar
192 dot
10.0.0 to 10.255.255.255, I think it's a private IP, no?
yeah, that's what 10 dot series always it will taken by large organizations in the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because lot of networks we can create.
Yeah, a lot of networks and many things are there, right? Only these
So
are
you are telling me that 10.0.0.123 because these are for load balancer all that's why it starts from
yeah,
10.0.0.4.
yeah.
IP, first IP.
As per basic kanda 0 to 191 is the public.
Okay.
Yeah. In that, a lot of rules are applicable. That's it.
Okay.
For example, 127 series is there. That is for loopback check.
Loopback, yes, correct.
Yeah.
We can't use this for
We
any.
cannot use that series.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
right.
multi, many to there is some multicast also, no?
Yes, correct. Correct.
IP is also multicast.
Yeah. Next. So here we are passing Windows Server 2016 data center. Okay. 16 in a sense. Already we used 2019 and 2022. So this is somehow older version. I mentioned this one. If you want to go for 2019, just change 2019 data center. Anyhow, the version it will take latest patches. Next. So this is the final command. New -AZ VM. Okay, resource group name, location, and VM config. Just save it. So VM config means this command has everything: VM name, VM size, and operating system Windows, and credentials is taking, and it is taking what is that? Microsoft Windows Server, SKU 2019, and version latest, network interface card. It is assigned. Okay, yeah, this is the script. I will upload it into the group. You can also take it from there. Okay, yeah, so this is about what? How to write the script for creating virtual machine. Now navigate to Cloud Shell. Again, it is disabled. Shell.azure. Okay, upload it. Create VM. Clear the window. DIR. See here it is showing what? Create VM. Now, for example, if you want to do some modifications, how can I do that?
So we can download this file and upload?
No. So there is another command called code dot. If you give code dot, then it will give you entire folder structure. Now, if you want to open only file, so then find the provide name, create vm.ps1. It will open that window editor. No issues. I want to open entire folder structure, code dot. See guys, here we can see everything. Okay, yeah. See, our file is what? Create vm.ts. Okay, nice, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so if you want to do anything, for example, I am going to change my TCS 2022 RG. So go and verify. See, nothing is there. Okay, yeah. Now, once you update it, go and save it, close editor. Okay, clear the window. Now create, just type 3 or 4 characters, create VM. Yeah, okay. Enter 3 or 4 characters, press tab button, then entire file will get autofill. Okay, hit enter. See, it is asking credentials. Okay, yeah. So what is the credential? I am giving AZ admin, Azure admin, password SharePoint at the rate of 1234. So PowerShell comes under which cloud service model, guys? Everything is a service, am I right? Now PowerShell comes under which model? Infrastructure as a service, or in platform as a service, or software as a service, or which one? Another thing. Infrastructure as a code. Yeah, IaaS. The PowerShell comes under what? Infrastructure
Infrastructure
as
as
a
a code.
code. Yeah. So PowerShell, okay, ARM templates,
Terraform.
Terraform, Python. These all comes under
Infrastructure as a code.
infrastructure as a code. Terraform popular. Why Terraform popular is ARM is native code. Native code means
It's
native code.
resides Azure only.
Yeah, it is work for only Azure. Terraform means if you know the syntax, its same syntax can be used for all entire cloud vendor, different vendors, AWS, Google, Azure, Salesforce, CRM, OpenStack, okay, Oracle, everything, same syntax you can use. Instead of AWS, just use Azure. That's it. Providers are change. Okay, guys. That's why it is supporting cross cloud platform, right? So, yeah,
We can call
drastically
it
become as a
Different
very
applications from different means like Azure vendors can communicate through Terraform.
yeah.
it's a open source like this. We can call
Yeah,
it.
yes, that's what. Terraform is a open source infrastructure as a code. Okay, for example, there is a official site. For anything Terraform official site is there. This is the one. Now, go to registry. They are providing different vendors. I mean providers. See, AWS, Azure, Google, Kubernetes, Oracle, Alibaba. Okay, many things. Okay, so they are providing many things. Happily you can just change the syntax, it will work for any cloud. So AWS provider, AWS, Google, like many components are there.
But there will be huge difference, well, the syntax is for
Nothing,
AWS.
instead of using AWS, use Azure. That's it,
Syntax will
only
be
little
same.
bit more code modifications are there, remaining are same.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you go for anything, only two parameters. One is provider. Provider means AWS, Google. Resource is common. Am I right? Resource
Okay.
in the sense VM is the resource. Storage account is the resource. Virtual, sorry, SQL server is the storage account. Sorry, resource. Okay, next, app services. load balance. These are the resources. Resource hyphen Azure hyphen VM. Then Azure. Resource hyphen AWS hyphen VM. Then it is compatible with AWS. That is how the syntax.
Okay.
So that's what initially it is showing Terraform.
So is it the same like Ansible and Terraform is both are same, sir?
Yeah, correct. Ansible configuration file, right? Terraform also configuration file.
Okay.
Yeah, good question.
But a major difference, can you?
Yeah, it is more readable format.
Oh,
And data can be travel in the way very speed and more readable format. It weightless we can say. It can travel easily in the network.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next, see. So it is okay. Terraform. Now go and check. Refresh one time. Yeah, this is the one. My TCS 2022 RJ. Okay. See this is one.
Go to IP address, Shekhar, that one.
Virtual machines.
Ah.
Java web server.
No, just now we are creating through PowerShell. This one only, right?
Yeah, this is the 192.168.1.4.
4. Okay. Okay, so suppose if you can give one, if you can create one more, it's going to 190.168.1.5 it will come,
1.5.
no?
Yes, it will get.
But but in the code we need to mention 190.168.1.0, right?
Yeah, 1.0. That's it.
Okay.
That is network IP we need to mention to
Yeah,
specify the
correct.
network.
Okay, I'm clear, right?
Subnet series we have to mention. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, here also we have networking, right? This is the my subnet is there, right? My VNet subnets. Tomorrow I'll explain this concept. See, this is the my subnet. So actually, see, availables are 250. They are using some reserved. Okay, when I go and check, see 192.168.1.02, you can go for what?
Yeah,
1.255.
right. Yeah.
So out of 256, 5 IPs are reserved.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 255.
True. So now we are creating one virtual machine and they are provided to 190.168.1.4. Okay, so same through PowerShell we have created 10 virtual machines. At the time, uh, after 5, what is the series they will provide?
After?
See, now we are creating only one machine. Okay, so they are providing 190.168.1.4, right? So suppose here Azure is reserved only 5 Azure reserved addresses.
Yeah.
We are creating 10 virtual machine.
Yeah, Azure reserved address means 0, 1, 2, 3,
4.
56 is the 255 is the result. With they
Uh,
won't take these IPs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4,
4.
and 5. 5 IPs are reserved. That's why the series is started with 0. Sorry, 4.
That's my question. ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి నేను అనేది ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకి 168.1.4 ఇప్పుడు మనం కొత్తగా క్రియేట్ చేసిన VM ఇచ్చారు అవునా సో ఇక్కడ 5 ఓన్లీ 0 1 2 3 4 వరకే రిజర్వ్ లో ఉన్నాయి సో ఇప్పుడు నేను 10 వర్చువల్ మిషన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు 4 వరకే కదా నీకు ఇక్కడ రిజర్వ్ లో ఉంది మిగతా ఐపీఎస్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇస్తుంది అని
అదే నేను సిరీస్ ఇచ్చుకుంటా పోవాలి 5 6 7 8 9 10 అని ఇస్తుంది
ఓకే బట్ ఇక్కడ వై 5 Azure reserved addresses అని ఎందుకనంది
No, nothing confusion. Actually, if you create any subnet, okay, 0 1 2 3 is the result. 0 1 2 3 it won't assign at all.
Okay, I won't assign. Okay, 4 to till 255 it will provide, right?
It will assign, yes.
Okay, man. Okay, clear. Got it.
254, 255.
Yeah, 250. Yeah, it's true.
Yes,
Yeah, I
255.
understood.
Correct.
Understood. Yeah,
Okay.
please continue.
Yeah, that's what initial series of IP address. It is not beyond 255. Did you see? Super? No, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. That's true. That's understood.
Yes.
Understood. Yeah.
Okay. Now navigate to here. Java Web Server 01. Now copy this IP. MSDS. Paste it. Connect. Cloud admin. SharePoint at the rate of 1234. Sorry, easy admin, right? We provided. Yeah, connect. Okay, I'm able to access it. Now have a look. Properties. See, this is what Windows Server 2019. Initially, it is giving 2016, right? I changed it. Okay. Yeah. So 3.5 GB memory, 1 CPU.
Yes,
Okay.
true.
This is how we can create the VM using PowerShell.
It's easy two ways. One is in PowerShell, and second one is like direct GM mode, directly
No, three ways we can create. One is Portal.
portal.
Second one is PowerShell.
Ah,
Third one is Terraform.
okay.
Fourth one is
ARM.
ARM templates.
Oh, okay. So these remaining,
Okay. Yeah, this is the interview question. How you people are creating the VM means you can say portal in the sense immediate next question is how many ways we can create the virtual machine in Azure. You have to say 4 ways.
oh, okay. So remaining two you are going to show, right, Shekhar?
Yeah, Terraform I will show you. And
Okay.
ARM templates also show. ARM template Terraform we will discuss it in DevApps. Okay,
Oh,
how to automate these two using DevApps? There I will explain you. In next session we will start a bit of networking topic. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So what is the network conduct? Did anyone complete CCNA? This team? No.
Ah,
Yes, I have done CCNA, Shekhar.
What is CCNA? You
Yeah,
completed?
but it means like I have completed, but long back means like, and
Okay. So you have full idea about networking then.
yes,
Yeah, that is very nice. Yeah. Sandeep.
yes.
Yeah, they teach about firewall, everything, huh?
Actually, means like up till BGP, like internal protocols, they have covered like RIP
Protection. They
and
yeah.
OSPF,
Okay.
and I mean routing part they have covered, means like basically two internal protocols, OSP and RIP, and then they have BGP for means like external exterior gateway, means like autonomous system to autonomous system connectivity.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So yeah, so in real time, generally networking people will be different. Whoever is completed Cisco networking and Microsoft networking people, they will design the networking guys. Okay, generally when you create the virtual machine in real time, no, so they will ask you, okay, please use this VNet. That virtual machine will be deployed under this subnet in such way that they will request. Okay, according to that we have to go and deploy. So they won't ask you design the virtual networks subnets and all. So there is a why, because the networking topic itself very sensitive. What is that activity in the company, in the world, we can say. If networks has some issue, then hackers are ready to hack the, what is that, transactions, resources, everything. So networking part, they will give you experts in organizations. So once they design the networking routing part, okay, gateways, okay, and assigning the firewalls, okay, everything they will take care about it. As a Azure administrator, already networkings are there here. Choose it under which subnet it should be deployed. That also direction should be provided by them. Clients are architect in the organization. So according to that, we have to deploy them. Okay. Again, when you go for Cisco networking, that is 2 months course again. Networking people, again, they will go for ethical hacking. That part is different again. Okay. Yeah. Right, Sandeep?
Yes.
Yeah. So how many days course that is networking?
At that
Months,
time
huh?
I have did from Mumbai. Means like yeah, it's 1.5 month. Mean like one, but they covered yeah in around 2 months you can say.
Okay. 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 Sure. Tomorrow I'll give the overview. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow I'll connect back. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.